Hi, my name is Alejandra Hernandez. I'm the Executive Director of Unity Alliance of Southern Idaho.
And I'm Craig Kingsbury. I'm the Board President of the Unity Alliance of Southern Idaho, as well as the Chief of Police for the City of Twin Falls.
Unity Alliance of Southern Idaho is a nonprofit group that serves communities, families, and students by providing special community development classes and resources that improve communication and bring people together.
Currently, the Unity Alliance of Southern Idaho provides courses on diversity, inclusion, and mutual respect, as well as immigrant integration. With your help, we'll be able to expand these programs even further. Programs like the Parent College.
Every parent's dream is to help their children grow, succeed, and reach their full potential both as students and as human beings.
But the problem is, there's no secret key to being a perfect parent. It's easy for parents to feel like they could be doing more to help their children reach their full potential. We believe children deserve every opportunity to thrive.
The Parent College is an educational program that empowers families, schools, and communities to get more engaged in children's growth and education.
And we do this by providing academic, leadership, and life skill courses, and by helping overcome language barriers that might keep some parents from being fully involved in their child's education.
And so much more. Our curriculum is always adapting and growing to meet the needs of our community.
The Parent College program is currently offered in both English and Spanish. With your help, the Unity Alliance of Southern Idaho hopes to expand the program and make it even more accessible to underserved members of our community.
Your support will help us to hire translators, educators who can present in other languages, provide student programs during class so parents can participate, and expand the Parent College curriculum to reach even more schools.
If this program doesn't get funded, parents will continue to struggle to help their children reach their full potential. Please support our campaign today. Let's get parents, communities, and schools engaged, and we'll watch as our children excel.
Thank you for being part of our community and supporting all of our futures. Together,
we can do great things. Thank you.